Running a business is already a full-time job. Trying to run your own marketing on top of that, that's how you end up stressed, stretched, and guessing your way through tasks you don't have time for. Most business owners try to juggle SEO, ads, social media, emails, and content creation while also trying to keep the business running. And eventually something drops, usually the marketing. That's where a marketing agency changes everything. Instead of one person trying to do 10 jobs, you get a team of specialists, strategists, designers, ad managers, SEO experts, and copywriters who live and breathe this stuff every day. What feels overwhelming to you is literally their comfort zone. And here's the part most people don't realize. Hiring an agency often saves you money. DIY marketing usually means wasted ad spend, random posts, hours lost learning tools, and campaigns that never fully perform. Agencies use data, structure, and experience to avoid all of that. They make sure every dollar actually works. Speed matters too. When an agency builds a campaign, it happens fast. Ads, landing pages, content, optimization, everything. No more waiting until you finally have time. Consistency becomes automatic. Posting schedules get followed. Campaigns get updated. Email sequences go out. That consistency is what creates momentum. Agencies also bring the tools: professional analytics, SEO software, design platforms, automation systems, all the expensive stuff you'd normally have to buy yourself. They already have it dialed in and ready to use for you. Most importantly, an agency doesn't rely on luck. They track everything. They test, measure, adjust, and scale what's working. Instead of hoping your marketing works, you know it's working. And that's the real benefit: growth. More leads, more customers, more predictability. When your marketing is handled by professionals, you get your time back, your stress goes down, and your business finally gets the attention it deserves. Hiring a marketing agency isn't an expense. It's an investment in faster results, better strategy, and real long-term growth. If you want your business to move forward without doing all the heavy lifting yourself, that's exactly what a marketing agency is built for. If you're ready for a partner who treats your growth like their mission, that's exactly what We Are Ariel does. We don't just run campaigns. We engineer systems that bring you leads, build your brand, and free you up to focus on what you do best. When you're ready to grow smarter, faster, and with a real strategy behind you, We Are Ariel is here.